Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix muffled and poor quality audio in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll need to select the portion of audio you want to enhance. Click and hold where you want the selection to start, either on the left or right side of your waveform. If you prefer, you can also select all of the audio at once by using the keyboard shortcut, but for more precision, manual selection works great. Now, drag your mouse to where you want the selection to end, then release the mouse button. You'll notice the selected area becomes highlighted, indicating that this is the portion of audio you'll be working with. This visual feedback is helpful because it confirms exactly which part of your recording will be processed. Next, click on Effect in the top toolbar. This menu contains all the audio processing tools you'll need to improve your sound quality. Hover your mouse over EQ and Filters, then select Filter Curve EQ from the submenu. This tool is essential for adjusting the tonal balance of your audio and removing muddiness that makes recordings sound unclear. A new window will appear with various controls and settings. In the top left corner, click on Presets and Settings. This opens up a list of pre-configured options that can save you time instead of manually adjusting everything. Hover your mouse over Factory Presets, then select Treble Boost. This preset enhances the higher frequencies in your audio, which helps bring out clarity and detail that often gets lost in muffled recordings. After selecting it, click Apply in the bottom right corner to process your audio with this setting. Now click on Effect in the top toolbar again, then hover your mouse over EQ and Filters and select Filter Curve EQ once more. This time hover your mouse over Factory Presets again, but now select Low Roll-Off for speech. This preset reduces unwanted low-frequency rumble and background noise that can make voices sound boomy or unclear. Once selected, click Apply in the bottom right to implement this change. Click on Effect again in the top toolbar, then hover your mouse over Volume and Compression and select Compressor. The compressor is crucial because it evens out the volume levels in your audio, making quieter parts louder and preventing loud parts from being too overwhelming. This creates a more professional and balanced sound. Click Preview to hear how your audio will sound after compression is applied. Listen carefully. If the voice sounds clearer, more even, and not distorted, then the settings are working well. Go ahead and click Apply to finalize this effect. Finally, click on Effect in the top toolbar one last time, then hover your mouse over Volume and Compression and select Normalize. Normalization brings your audio up to an optimal volume level without introducing distortion, ensuring your final recording sounds professional and ready to use. Click Apply to complete the process. And that's it, you've successfully fixed muffled and poor quality audio in Audacity using a combination of EQ adjustments, compression, and normalization. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.